Hi my friends, I am Vimal Mane. Welcome to my channel. My channel name is LVim Unique. Today's my niche is what is affiliate marketing and how affiliate marketing works. Please watch my video till the end and like, subscribe and share for my video. Affiliate means to get a permission from any company or merchant. To getting permission means affiliation from company or merchant. Affiliate means one of the older form of digital marketing wherein you refer someone, that means maybe buyer or customer. Affiliate marketing is called referral marketing too. Important three pillars of affiliate marketing is merchant or company whose product or who owns product. Second is seller, affiliate, who promote the product. And third is customer, who buys or purchase product through affiliate, that may be cost per lead, cost per click or cost per sale. All big companies sell their product through affiliate marketing. Affiliate networking is in between of merchant and affiliate. So you just follow the system. Amazon Associates, ClickBanks, Digistore 24, JV Zoo, Hostinger Company and many more companies provide affiliate links for their product sale. You have to go to Google Chrome and find out companies who provide affiliate marketing and register for the same. For affiliate marketing, you have to promote affiliate links, and you will be promoting these affiliate links through creating website. For website, you require domain name, internet and networking. Another way of generate sale through writing blogs on social media platform like YouTube, Facebook pages and Instagram reels. Two ways to promote your affiliate links. One is organic traffic and second way is paid traffic. In organic traffic, you have to keep patience and you have to be consistent on your niche. Only hard working is helps here, and you have to be consistent on your niche. Which niche you want to select, like health, wealth, relationship, many niches are there, but you have to be consistent on one niche only. Paid traffic is through review based content. You may not make money in months, but genuinely you will make it. Students, housewives and any person can join affiliate program who has got the knowledge of affiliate marketing and earn money online. This is the passive income you can create through affiliate marketing.